welcome back to the channel. Today we are officially kicking off my Hyundai Veloster N build. I am so stoked about this. I've been gathering up parts for this car for the past month now, and we're gonna officially start modding this girl today. Just as a refresher, this is my 2021 Hyundai Veloster N in performance blue, my favorite Hyundai color. And I got this car recently after falling in love with the Veloster N platform at Laguna Seca. I think I need the car, you guys. You can have so much fun in this car in its completely stock form. It's an absolute beast on the track, and I thought, why not get this car and build a really awesome daily slash, got the slash in there, track car, and I just cannot wait to get this build started. My goals are to keep this car really dailyable, still reliable, don't mess with it too much, but increase the power with maybe some bolt-ons, a tune, and of course we're gonna do some aesthetic stuff. And that is what we are actually jumping into first today. I have a bunch of amazing carbon fiber parts that showed up, so let's get into it. I love the stock pops on this car. They're just so good. Car is in the shop, and we got some packages from Adro. Adro makes a bunch of amazing carbon fiber parts for the Veloster N platform. When I first got my Veloster N, I had this one car that I found on Instagram saved because I loved the wing on the car so much. A few weeks later, Adro reached out to me. I'm going through their feed and I see the wing that I was obsessed with on the Veloster N. It looked so good. So I'm working with Adro to give my Veloster N a complete carbon fiber makeover. And yes, my bands match my Veloster. And these have checkered on it. I love them. Let's unbox all of these and see what we got. Everything is unboxed. We got our side skirts. This is actually their V2 model. We have the front splitter, which is their V3 or B type, and our carbon fiber diffuser. So I am remembering now that they actually told me that they were sold out of the wing that I really wanted for my car, but they are producing another batch really soon. The wing's gonna have to wait for another video, but for today, we got all of these. I think we'll just work our way back. So starting with the front splitter, side skirts, and diffuser. little drifting intermission, I thought this would be a good time to tell you that Adam and I will be at the Fuel Fest coming to West Palm Beach, South Florida. But we're gonna be there this year, and we're gonna be drifting our Z's there. So make sure you guys get your tickets. It's February 26th, and you can get tickets on fuelfest.com. We'll see you guys at Fuel Fest. Now let's get back to Hyundai, Veloster N mods. In order to put this front lip on, we gotta take the front bumper off. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do.
She got me under here with this tool, and guess what we gonna do?
How do you talk on my videos?
She has me under here with this tool, and I'm getting, oops, not that low. Oops, I already got that one. And I'm getting these. Yay. Here's one. Here's two.
One and two. We have to drill out the holes to hold this on. So there's gonna be 4 bolts right here, 1 in the center, and then 4 right here. So I started in the center, and this is gonna hold it completely center so that it doesn't wobble on us when we're trying to line up the left and right side. Alright, all of our bolts are secured. Front lip is on, and it looks so good. I love how it like holds the bottom of the bumper and like wraps up into it. And we have our nice Adro badge right there. Front bumper done, we'll put it back on. Next up are our carbon fiber side skirts. It comes with all the screws that you will need to install them, and we're basically just going to be installing them right underneath the stock side skirts. So really easy. I think the hardest part is just gonna be making sure it's in the exact spot that you want it, but other than that, it should be pretty simple. One side is done. This is super easy because you don't have to take anything off of the car or take anything apart. I'm just drilling a pilot hole first, and then the screw goes straight in and attaches to the stock side skirts. I'm starting from the middle and then just working my way out just so like the load is being distributed more even. If you look under here, there's like indentions where this piece goes into. So it's really easy to tell that you're in the right spot for everything. I don't know why. I thought I didn't have that many screws, so I only put 6 initially on this first side. So I went back under and added a bunch more. So I'm gonna put on our driver's side, and then we will be done with our side skirts. It's already looking so good, you guys. Just adding that perfect amount of aggression to the car. Skirts are on and they are complete. I absolutely love it. It looks so good paired with the front splitter too. So now that we got these pieces done, we're gonna start working on our diffuser. So we're gonna be replacing the stock plastic diffuser that is right here, but we wanna keep our red trim. So underneath here, there's a few push pins. They need disconnect and a few screws as well further up. It's kind of hard to see, but there's 3 main screws, like here, here, and here, that are kind of hard to get to, so you kind of gotta pull this plastic piece back. There's 3 of those, and then there's 1 on each side. We wanna make sure we keep this red trim snapped in, and then the rest of this will just snap out. All right, our diffuser is on. This was definitely a bit more work. The biggest thing I was worried about were these 2 side pieces because they're not actually attached to the main diffuser piece. You put these on separately. I think in the instructions they wanted you to put them onto the main piece before you had the main piece on the car, but I was really worried about making sure it was lined up at like the perfect angle when it was off of the car, because there are brackets that like move the diffuser and pull it up a little bit more back when it's fully secured. So I actually put the main piece on first and then put our side pieces on. They're connected with 1 through bolt on that side, and then I added my own self tappers, like 1, 2 on that side, and then 1, 2 on that side going up, just to extra secure this thing.